Hey friends and students, welcome to the exercise of add on in. Stay tuned to enjoy it and press the subscribe button below. Let's go. I will see you blank the airport. The answer is at. I will see you at the airport. In this sentence, at is the correct preposition to indicate the specific location where the action of seeing will occur. At is used to specify a particular point or location. He was the greatest man, blank, London. The answer is N. He was the greatest man in London. It means he was considered the best within the city of London. In is the word used to show where something or someone is located. I will see you blank Tuesday. The answer is on. I will see you on Tuesday. In this sentence, on is the correct preposition to indicate the specific day when the action of seeing will occur. On is used to specify days of the week or specific dates. The puppy is hiding blank the box. The answer is in. The puppy is hiding in the box. In this sentence, in is the correct preposition to indicate the location where the puppy is hiding. In is used to show that something is inside or within a space, so the puppy is concealed inside the box. She left her jumper blank the chair. The answer is on. She left her jumper on the chair. In this sentence, on is the correct preposition to indicate the position of her jumper in relation to the chair. On is used to show that something is positioned on top of or in contact with a surface, so her jumper is placed on the surface of the chair. Look blank me. The answer is at. Look at me. In this sentence, at is the correct preposition to indicate the direction of the action of looking. At is used to specify the target or point of focus for the action. In this case, me. It was suddenly very still blank the room. The answer is in. It was suddenly very still in the room. In this sentence, in is the correct preposition to indicate the location where the stillness occurred. In is used to specify the place where an action or state take place. So the stillness happened inside the room. She is doing research blank the university. The answer is at. She is doing research at the university. In this sentence, at is the correct preposition to indicate the specific location where the action of doing research is taking place. At is used to specify a particular point or location, in this case, the university. I said, putting my hand blank his arm. The answer is on. I said, putting my hand on his arm. In this sentence, on is the correct preposition to indicate the placement of the hand in relation to his arm. On is used to show contact or attachment to a surface. So the speaker is describing placing their hand in contact with the surface of his arm. The children met no one blank their way. Now you answer me in comments and see you in the next video. Bye bye.